Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a MyBambu account quickly and easily. First, open the App Store and search for MyBambu. Tap on the MyBambu app and hit download. Once downloaded, open the app. On the welcome screen, tap sign up. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Then tap next. Now you will need to verify your email. Check your inbox for verification code and enter it here. Tap verify. Great. Now review and accept the terms and conditions. Once you have read through, tap agree. And that's it. You have successfully created your MyBambu account. So start using your account, add fund by linking a bank account or using other available options. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. If you have any query, please comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.